How to fix haptic keyboard not working in iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, head towards the option of sounds and haptics, open it. Now scroll down. Over here you will find this option of system haptics. Make sure you have toggle on for this option. Likewise, open this option, keyboard feedback. Enable the option of haptic and hit back. Open the option of haptics. Now from here you have to select the option of always play. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you can give a fresh restart to your device. For that, head back, go to the main page of settings, open the option general, scroll all the way down, click on shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open this option of software update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back, scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix haptic keyboard not working in iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.